Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, July 8th, and this is my analysis of the Euro-US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the Euro dollar, I'm still very bullish overall. I still think this is very likely to either go up and make a running flat wave C, or possibly even go all the way up and take out these highs, which I think is the more likely scenario, to make an expanding wave C. Either way, it's not that important to know yet because either way leads to a pretty big uptrend. Heading down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, we definitely got a nice little 5 wave uptrend over here. I think it's a wave 1. I think this is a WXY. I believe this is a 2. And I think this is subdivisions of a wave 3. So 1 of 3, 2 of 3, and most likely this is a wave 3 of wave 3, which is either all part of an expanding or a running flat like I showed on the monthly time frame. So heading down to the daily time frame, this is where we can see the subdivisions of the wave 3. We got nice 5 waves up for the 1 of 3. We got an expanding flat for the wave 2 of wave 3. And most likely we are in a wave 3 of wave 3 right now. If this is a wave 3 of 3, then most likely it will continue to make higher highs, higher lows, take out these previous highs, and most likely just keep on trending up. So taking it right down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, definitely looks like this right here is all wave 1, and most likely this is an ABC of 2. If this is a 1, this is a 2, then most likely we're in a subdivision of wave 3, and most likely the wave 3 is going to at least end up looking something like this to finish off a wave 3, eventually make a wave 4 and a wave 5. So taking it right down to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, we did have another pretty decent little gap on the euro pairs again from the European election that we had on Sunday. More than likely the trend is up, and more than likely the trend will continue up. We definitely got one down from the market open gap. We got a little 3 wave up. We're probably in a wave C right now. Now, most wave Cs do take out the low of wave A, but it definitely doesn't have to. It could definitely make a higher low and turn back up. Or, what's probably more common is it's going to go down, make a lower low, and then turn back up. Either way, if I see 3 waves down and positive up, whether it's a higher low or whether it's a lower low, doesn't matter to me. Either way, I'm going to take advantage of a long opportunity after I see 3 waves down and positive up, especially if we bounce off a Fibonacci retracement level. That's going to be my next entry to go long for the continuation of what I believe is all subdivisions of a wave 3 on the much higher time frames. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked down here in the corner, and don't forget to check out my website if you'd like to get access to my swing trade setups and my daily live Zoom meetings. As always, thank you and happy trading.